welcome back ma'am. What would you like to add ma'am?
Ano po yung mochi na
Do you want something sweet or bitter?
Ay, hindi po bitter. Okay. Sweet lang.
Maybe sweet the Nutella one, yeah.
Which one?
Nutella. But it's super sweet. If you want a lighter sweet than Nutella, it's peanut butter naman. Peanut butter yan ma'am.
Sige, yung peanut butter.
Peanut butter na lang. One only ma'am?
Yes.
Thank you ma'am. Isang peanut butter lang. Do you need a takeout bag or no more?
No need.
No need na, okay. Thank you so much ma'am. If ever you want to reorder, just you can find us online naman eh. Thank you so much. Ay, no worries ma'am. Thank you so much. Thank you ma'am. Kabili lang nito ni ma'am. Just a backstory. I wasn't able to take the video na eh, pero ano na, kakabili lang niya maybe 10 minutes ago yung isang set ko, and then kaya tanong ko, oh, you want another set ba? Yun pala, may dadagdag lang siya.